If you're running a B2B company and you are trying to grow, the bottleneck is usually very simple. You don't have enough sales conversations with potential customers. Some weeks you get a few calls, other weeks your calendar is almost empty. So companies try outbound. They pull a list from Apollo, send a few cold emails from their CRM, maybe someone on the team sends LinkedIn messages. And then they conclude, cold email doesn't work. But the truth is, most companies fail at outbound because they never build a real system. They use the same prospect databases as everyone else. Their lead data is outdated, and they send emails from infrastructure that destroys deliverability. So instead of starting conversations with potential customers, their emails either get ignored or never reach their inbox in the first place. That's exactly what we fixed at OceanLeads. We built structured outbound systems designed to consistently start conversations with potential customers that match your ICP. First, we define exactly who your best customers are. Then we build custom prospect lists for your market, instead of relying on generic databases used by thousands of your competitors. We enrich and verify the data so you reach the best decision makers. Then we set up dedicated email outbound infrastructure, separate sending domains, inboxes, and warm-up systems, so emails actually land in inboxes instead of spam. From there we launch campaigns, monitor reply rates, and constantly refine the system. The goal is simple: generate more conversations with companies that could realistically become clients, which ultimately means more sales calls on your calendar. When outbound is done properly, it becomes one of the most reliable ways to generate new sales conversations. Instead of waiting for referrals or inbound leads, you're actively starting conversations with companies in your target market. Over time, this creates a consistent flow of new sales calls. And for most B2B companies, that is exactly what unlocks growth. If you would like to see whether this works for your business, the next step is simple. Book a short discovery call. On that call, we will look at your target market, your offer, and whether outbound could realistically generate more sales calls for you. If it makes sense, I will walk you exactly through how we build this system. If not, I will tell you honestly. Just book a discovery call with me and let's talk.